Okay, we're in section 3.2 now, which is about angles of triangles. So, this should be your title at the top of your notes now. 3.2 Angles of Triangles Notes. Alright? So, let's start with the vocab. The angles inside a polygon are called interior angles. These are the angles inside a polygon. So, if we have a triangle, these are the interior angles. When the sides of a polygon are extended, other angles are formed. So if we extended these sides, and you would extend all the sides, all the lines. When the sides of the polygon are extended, other angles are formed. The angles outside the polygon that are adjacent to the interior angles are called exterior angles. So, exterior angles would be these. It's adjacent, right? This angle is adjacent to this angle. And this is another exterior angle. And this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. These are not, right? Those are not adjacent to the interior angles. Those are vertical to the interior angles. So just the blue ones here are exterior angles. So, the sum of the interior angle measures of a triangle are what? This is angle 1, 2, and 3. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals 180 degrees. Okay? So this is very important. The sum of the interior angles in a triangle equals 180 degrees. So, that being said, can we find an unknown angle in a triangle given the other two? Yes, we can. Let's look at this example. So, if we have a triangle like this, this is 32, this is x, 32 degrees, x degrees, and 48 degrees. How do we find x? Well, we just write a really simple equation, right? We have 32 plus 48 plus x equals what? 180 degrees. So then we just solve for x in this case. So we get 80 plus x equals 180 minus 80 minus 80, x equals 100 degrees. All right, now let's have you try one. If we have a triangle, so this is practice problem number 1, okay? If we have a triangle that is this angle is x plus 28 degrees, and this is x degrees. Well, this square right here indicates what? 90 degrees, right? All right, so use that knowledge, and then all of these angles together add up to 180 to solve for x. And let's actually do one more. If we have a triangle like this, and we have x, 81, and 25, find x. Okay? So, up until now, we've been talking about the interior angles of a triangle. Now we're going to talk about the exterior angle measures of a triangle. So if we have this triangle here, and we extend that, and this is x degrees, and this one is y degrees, and this is z degrees. This exterior angle is z degrees. Well, the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two non-adjacent interior angles. So all that is saying is z is equal to x plus y. The measure of this exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two non-adjacent angles, right? So this would be its adjacent angle, and z is equal to the sum of x and y, which are not adjacent to it. So, for example, if you were given a triangle like this, and this is 36 degrees, this is x degrees, this exterior angle, and this interior angle is 72 degrees, can you find the measure of the exterior angle? Yes, because we know that x equals 36 plus 72. So x equals 108 degrees. And we know this, again, because an exterior angle, this angle here, is equal to the sum of its two non-adjacent angles. Okay, now you try one. So this is practice problem number 3. And we will do something like, actually, that wasn't a very good drawing. We'll do, so this is 80 degrees. This is a minus 5 degrees. And this exterior angle is 2a degrees, okay? So, set up your equation and then solve for a. And here is one more. Here's our triangle. This exterior angle is 4n minus 20 degrees. That's a 20. This interior angle is 2n plus 20. And this angle is n. So, set up an equation and solve for n. And then in this one, tell me the angle measures as well. So solve for n and tell me the angle measures. All right. Okay, so just to recap, the exterior angle measures of a triangle. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior angles that are not adjacent to it. Meaning they don't share a side. Adjacent is sharing a side, right? And then the interior angles of a triangle all add up to 180 degrees. All right? So these things should be in your notes and the 4 practice problems, and then you should go on to watch the 3.3 video.